Alright, so now moving on from links, we are going to look at HTML entities. So what are HTML entities? HTML entities are a way of displaying special symbol on your web page. So let's suppose if I want to display this anchor tag on my web page, so let's just put that inside our body tag. Let's save it and see the changes. So you will notice that on my web page I'm not able to see these anchor tags, and that it's because my browser treat it as a tag, so it will be not displayed on my web pages on my browser. So to get around that problem and indeed display any character, we use HTML entities. Now it's in require knowing specific code for character that you want to display. So let's search for HTML entities on Google, and I will open this first link that appear on my screen. Okay, so you can see for some special character we have either entity name, which you can use, or we have entity numbers, so you can use either of them. Either you can use this entity name or you can use this entity number, but I would recommend you using this entity name because it's quite easy to remember the name as compared to this particular code. So let's go back to our problem. We want to display this anchor tag on our web page. So for displaying, first we have to put the code for the less than symbol. So we will just copy this entity for name for the less than symbol, and in place of this less than symbol I will put the code that I just copied. As similarly for the greater than symbol, we will copy the code and paste it at that position. Let's save this and see the changes. Now you can see particular code or a special symbol is displayed with the help of this special symbol, and you can see there various symbols that we can display with the help of HTML entity. Like we have some copyright symbol, registered trademark, or we have some different currency that we can display, so that we all for this HTML entity video. So in the next video we are going to study about the iframe. So we will see you in the next one.